So the Ukrainian crisis has spooked the stock market. The stock market opened with deep cuts. The Sensex, in fact, is down almost 1,000 points, and Nifty is down almost 290 points. So the Russia-Ukraine standoff is once again spooking the stock markets. Remember, this upheaval is something that we've been seeing for some time now. The Sensex, in fact, is reported to be down almost 1,000 points. Nifty down almost 290 points. So stock markets are really sensing that kind of upheaval ahead of the crisis as far as the Russia-Ukraine standoff is concerned. And we get to see how this volatility really continues or what really happens in the market. We try and bring you more updates on this story also. Meanwhile, this is the latest that we are getting as the Ukrainian crisis is going ahead, spooking the stock market. To explain this to us, I'm now joined by my colleague Hina Gambhir. Hina, I was mentioning about the Ukraine-Russian standoff really spooking the market. This upheaval was something that was reported, ever since news started trickling in about the tensions that were prevailing in the border. And now we see Sensex and Nifty down by, significant points.
Well, that's right, Griha. Markets are currently following the trend that we are witnessing in global stock markets, and markets just do not like uncertainty. Right now, what is happening between Russia and Ukraine is something that nobody really knows because, every hour new developments are coming. For example, last week we were talking about maybe the beginning of some kind of a de-escalation process. So we saw markets, heaving a sigh of relief and things started looking better. But then this week has started on not a very positive note as far as Russia and Ukraine crisis is concerned, because yesterday, there was some news of shelling and some sort of invasion, which later Ukraine said was a fake news. Then we also got news that, French president's office, in fact, had communicated that Russian president and U.S. president have agreed to hold a summit provided Ukraine is not invaded by Russia. So that was a condition that was attached. So, too much is happening on that front right now. And this uncertainty is causing a lot of nervousness among the investors. Global markets overnight had a severe impact, and that is what is witnessed here on the Wall Street as well this morning. As we speak, in fact, markets have now extended the losses. Sensex Griha had opened with a cut of about 984 odd points. Just now, it crossed the level of about 1,000 odd point cut. And 56,706 is where Sensex is trading right now. As far as Nifty is concerned, it is seeing a cut of about 284 points. And it has breached that psychological level of 17,000. So not a good day for the Wall Street at least. We'll see how things are. And so far, it's only the global cues which are driving our stock markets.